Thank you for inquiring, friend. Why are whispering? Because I am whispering because my boss, they are still sleeping. Oh my god. Are you recovering now? Hello, Gonzalo. Gonzalo, hola. Yeah, you have told me that you are going to see the doctor for the test. 3D. Thank you. Doppler test. Oh, it's a Doppler test. Yes, it has been removed. Are you okay now, Osam? 60 mm flat. Oh my god, it's so big. Why it was happened? I'm telepathically flirting today, so if you start giggling out of nowhere, that was me. Yes, can't work for 2 weeks. Oh, so sad. Alexander Green, hello. Someone you know that Anne is my Valentine. Awesome. Awesome. I thought it's someone. Awesome, you know that Anne is my Valentine. Please like and subscribe, guys. Thank you. She is worth spending a small fortune on. Why are you laughing, Awesome? Large one of you. Got it. Large one of what? Oh my god. Yes, I am very fortunate to have fun. And see, my telepathy is working. Oh my god. You're laughing.